have your best listening and best watching, and I want you to look at their favourite bugs that they made. You need to be nice and quiet. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good morning. K2a has learned about many bugs, but they all have their favorites. So they want to share with you their favorite bug, and they're going to tell you why. And up here on the screen, you'll see their own creations of their favorite bug. Millie, what's your favorite bug? Millie really likes butterflies because they're pretty and they make the world beautiful and they live in gardens. Ben, what's your favorite bug? And why do you like spiders?
They make things.
What's your favorite bug, Prue? And why do you like caterpillars? Because they eat leaves. Thank you, Prue. What's your favorite bug, Yo-Yo?
The spider. You can make a wish.
Very good. What's your favorite bug, Sammy?
Butterfly. Beautiful.
What's your favorite bug, Tasha? What's your favorite bug, Mimi?
Snail. Because the shell is pretty.
What's your favorite bug, Jenny?
Butterfly. Make a world beautiful.
What's your favorite bug, Portia?
Butterfly. Is blue one.
Tanja, what's your favorite bug? Why do you like worms?
Because it lives in the grass.
Thank you. What's your favorite bug, Jerry?
A praying mantis. Because it's funny and we live in the forest.
What's your favorite bug, Max?
Snail. Because they live in shells.
Because they live in shells. Thank you, Max. Kiri, what's your favorite bug?
Beetle.
Why do you like beetles?
Eat it and the tree together.
What's your favorite bug, Ty?
Spider.
Why do you like spiders?
You make the web.
He makes a web. Thank you, Ty. Mimi, what's your favorite bug?
Snail.
Why do you like snails?
Because it's live on the leaf.
Zen, what's your favorite bug? Oh, Zen, why do you like dragonflies?
Tree.
They live in trees. Thank you. Okay, K2a, let's go to our spots for our song. Black team here. The blue team. The reds. And the green.
found out about spiders and bugs and caterpillars and worms and praying mantis and butterflies, of course.